adjusting on your puck drop. I'd like to see you get a little bit more knee bend, just to increase your center balance, if you will. In case a player bumps into you, you're pretty vertical right now. You don't want to see somebody come into you and take you out. So if you've got your knees bent, give you a little bit lower center of gravity, and you'll be able to take a glancing blow, if you will, a little bit better.
Head from behind? Nah.